Hey guys, Darren back here from KIFFIX. Today I'm going to show you how to add an image and an image slider to your Biolink page on the KIFFIX platform. So from the dashboard, you want to start off by going to Biolinks. If you already have created a Biolink, you can add an image or your image slider to your Biolink page. I'm going to actually create a quick new Biolink page. Let's just call this one my page 2026. Create Biolink page. It's going to start off by giving you a sort of plain little preview on the right hand side. Mobile view. Let's just change the color. Let's just go for example, custom color. Well, let's go to custom gradient. Color 1, let's go black. Color 2, let's go green, for example. I mean, you can play around with these, or very, very cool features and little things that you can do to really make your Biolink page, suit your brand and really look good. So what you want to do is update, and then that'll start you off. Okay, now to add your image or your image slider, you go to blocks. This is now where you can add a block or an image. So you say add block, and then these are the various different blocks that you can add into your Biolink page. Really, really cool features and things to check out. If you're on KIFFIX, have a look at all of them. They're really, really good. So we said image. We're going to put an image, for example. You click on there, and then you can choose your image. Click choose file. Sorry, my computer's a little bit slow today. I've got some images here. Let's just use this number 1. And what it's going to do is going to ask you if you want to crop the image, which you're able to do. You can crop it by sliding this back and forth. But for the case of this, I'm going to say continue without cropping. And then you can even have a URL. So if someone clicks on the image from your Biolink page, they'll be redirected to the given URL that you allocated. So I'm just going to use our kiffix.com and create block. And you'll see once it's created, the image will then pop up on the Biolink page. You can then also click on the actual link itself to see what it looks like on a computer. Here we go. Let's close that down. Okay, once that's done, you can see if you click down, it gives you all the information here. There's some other settings. You can put a shadow on the image, for example. You can have it open in a new tab. So if someone clicks on the image, it'll open a new tab with the link that you sent. And then what I want to do right now is close this down quickly and then add an image slider. So you got to add block, scroll down to the image slider block over here. You can click on that, and this will open this little block here. What you can do then is now add your various images that you're wanting to use. So I've just clicked on image. Let's go image 1. Continue without cropping. And you say create, it'll open another one. Open number 2. Click on image, choose file. Click on number 2. Continue without cropping. And then create, because we're going to put 3 images on the slider. So I've got 3 sections now. Click on that one. And then I can add the 3rd image and continue without cropping. So you can see I've got image 1, image 2, and image 3. You can then say create block. Once that's created, you'll see on the mobile preview, it gives you a slider. So it'll basically show one image, and you can click on the little triangle and it'll slide across to show the various different images. If I click on the My page, you can see what it looks like on web. There it is. You can either click on it or it'll automatically slide across as well, which is pretty cool. What you can then do is click on the image slider and you can have a look at the settings. So slider settings, you can change the height and the width of the image itself, the interval of how long it takes before the slider actually moves across, the gap between the images, so you can make them bigger or smaller gaps, and and some other kind of settings that you can look at too. You can also go to the slider images. This is the images that we had previously. You can change them up. So if you just click on choose file, you can change it if you want to change to a new profile pic or a new press pic that you have. Yeah, pretty simple. Again, it's nice to go through all of these and have a look at the different settings and what you can do with them. Again, you can add some shadows, for example, and some other really cool features on this too. So yeah, that's how you add an image or a slider, image slider to your Biolink page. If you have any more questions, reach out to us on Instagram or go to our website, kiffix.com. You can sign up to KIFFIX through our website. Get in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Chat soon. Bye-bye.